Hey guys, this is Sunyani Ebenezer Presby Preparatory School, and we are here today with the kids in the background. And this week we are doing curiosity. And curiosity is I eagerly explore new things and I ask probing questions. And this is what our kids are learning today. And all over the schools where we're having KI, all our kids are learning about curiosity. This is one of the most underrated skills that our kids in this part of the world don't really look at. Being able to think about things and ask creative questions and probe is something that I believe our kids need to have. They need to cultivate this skill when they are really young so that they can pick it up and grow with it. And so this week in all our schools, our kids are asking probing questions. They are thinking about things. We are teaching them to develop curiosity. I mean, I'm talking about positive curiosity, not like, asking anything or looking into things that they don't have to care about, but things that will help with their development. And so the whole idea is that we want to first of all conscientize them and make them aware that there is a need for them to be asking questions. There is a need for them to have some positive curiosity as they grow up so that they will ask questions in their math class, they will ask questions in their social studies and science class, that they are actually turned on to think that it is okay to ask questions. It is okay to be curious about what you're doing. And that's what we are doing. So if you look at our activities for the week, we have the kids going out there, exploring, picking up a ball, running over there to the other side. And the whole idea is that I can seek, I can explore, and then I can ask questions. And so for all our partner schools who are doing curiosity this week, we want to tell you that keep your kids curious and Open Mind Africa and KI Education, we are with you. So Kai, learning through play, playing with purpose. We are learning through play and we are playing with purpose. Every day, KI is fun, education is fun, learning is fun, and we are learning through play. So join us as we learn through play this week, studying curiosity. Bye bye.